Hello, everybody, and today I finally got myself a 3D printer. It's been so I've been doing this so long, and I've never got a 3D printer. Whatever. So, because I got a 3D printer, that means I'm gonna have 3D printed Beyblade videos way more often than before. uh, um. So today we're going to be looking at the channel mascot. Oh, well, can't really see that in the black color. Javelin Japhithere, yay! Yeah! Actually, I have my light here, it's adjustable, so. Javelin. I don't know if that makes it any better. Javelin Japhithere! Yeah, so. This bay is the channel mascot, and I designed this bay for myself, unlike Navius. Wait, where'd my Navius go? Navius, I swear, get your layer out here somewhere. Unlike Navius, who I made for Kyler from the XK, so you know, Navius starts with K, Kyler, KK, KKK, oh whatever. J is like Japhithere and Justin's my name, and it's based off of the dragon Japhithere, and you might be wondering why Japhithere is such a weird name. It's based off of an amphitheater, and I wanted it to start with a J, like my name, because that's what it's like in the anime. You know, Vault, Valtryek, Louis, Luinor. Yeah, so, Justin, Japhithere. That sounds so weird. Oh, whatever. Yeah. And it's supposed to be a defense stamina type. I actually haven't tested this bay yet. I've never battled it. I've done some test launches, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, just getting to see the parts first. The combo I'm using is, hold on, fix the light. Yeah. Japhithere. Oh frick. Okay. 4 airbend defense. Now, airbend isn't actually, you know, a real frame because it's a custom frame. Holy, look. Oh my gosh, I have to keep moving the light. It's a custom frame. Holy spin top. I don't know what to say. Yeah, it's a very thick boy, and yeah, let's look at the combo first. This is Javelin Japhithere, duh. Can't get my light right. Javelin Japhithere, 4 airbend defense. Now, this isn't the combo that I intended for Javelin Japhithere. It's actually meant to be outer defense. The reason why I don't have outer because poor, and so the reason why I chose defense is because it's in general it's a pretty good driver for defense and stamina, and the outer disc is meant to add to the stamina of defense drivers. And defense is horrendously outclassed by atomic and other defense drivers. It's not supposed to. It's meant to be like. This base meant to be like a single layer / dual layer. So I don't know. Did I just throw it out of the stadium? I swear, if I did, I am going to go insane. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's right over here. Oh, come on. I am terrible at it. Whatever. And, this combo right here, this frame disc combo, is 4 airbend. I would have chosen 7 if I had 7 because 7 airbend is actually for the evolution to Japhithere. Yes, I've had plans for the evolution already. And you might think I'm rushing things, but no, I've had the design for like months, literal months, and I haven't gotten a 3D printer till now, so yay! So yeah, this is just for the evolution, except I'm using 4 instead of 7, because I'm poor. Hey, that rhymes. Whatever. This frame actually has a gimmick. The gimmick is that, you can turn, there's like a little downdraft here with the fan when it's spinning, but the gimmick here is that you can remove it, flip it upside down, and attach it again, and now it has a kind of an updraft lifting it up. Wait, I don't know if I'm using those words right. Whatever, it lifts the bay up like a fan, or like air knight, I guess, I don't know. So this frame is a lot like Turn and Lift from Cho-Z, Dead Hades, and Vice Leopard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So right now I'm gonna test it against I'm gonna do a few battles right now. I'm only gonna use single layer. I'm only gonna verse it against single layers and dual layers because it's gonna get annihilated by god layers and above. And another thing I have to mention is that you probably already been thinking about this, but this frame is steamy garbage. Through testing, yeah. It's just so thick. There's a ton of scrape, just like Lift and Wall. Those two frames are very wide, or how would I say it? Very thick, and this frame is also pretty thick, and it scrapes a ton. So whatever, let's just do some battles. Let's see here. I'll go with Japhithere S first. Get my launcher. Okay, since Japhithere is meant to be a stamina type, I'm gonna launch it first. It's been 7 minutes and I haven't even done a battle. Oof, that frame. Okay, pretty. Like this. Oh my gosh, that frame. Oh, yeah! Oh, so it bursts Japhithere and, no clicks. Or sliding. It didn't slide at all. Because, like, the base itself has teeth, but, like, for 3D printing, they don't even act as teeth. They're more like slopes, whatever. Next bay, I'll do Odin. Blow, central blow. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Japhithere should do well because of its defense capabilities. Okay. Oh, yes! Okay, so it was a little less than half to bursting, but it's pretty good. Okay, next day, we'll go with Dronzer F. I'll put Dronzer in attack mode, why not? And we'll switch the frame around to an updraft. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, these wings are meant to cause a down force so that it presses to the stadium and adds stability. So let's just make the Beyblade confusing and make the frame have an updraft. Whatever. I swear, get on right now. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, that scrape. Why is it scraping? Why am I saying why is it scraping? I know why it's scraping, it's just this frame sucks. Okay, let's try that battle again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What the what is this hell salamander? But worse. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Oh my gosh, I swear, get off the launcher. There we go. Finally, a good launch. Yeah, that frame is absolutely terrible. I've actually made BA triple. That is 3 bays annihilated. Anyway, I was saying I did make a redesign for the frame so that it doesn't scrape. It's gonna be very similar in to turn, but whatever. Anyway, next bay. Okay, I don't have any I don't have any stock combos left, so I'm just gonna. Okay, well I do, but they're all taken apart, so I'll just make a combo. Boom! Victory Valkyrie 9 jolt. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh! I swear, get off the launcher properly. There we go. Okay. No. Aw. Yo, what the? Yo. Oh my gosh! No, my Valkyrie! My Victory Valtriac! Ugh. It got a scratch! It got a little scratch right there. I don't know if you could see that, camera. I swear, focus. It got a little scratch. Yeah. You can't see that. Why can't you see that? Camera? I swear. But whatever. Where's the part with the blue? There was a little part with the blue, but I think I dropped it. But Japhithere scratched it. Oof. Okay. Well, whatever. Okay. I'll go against one more bay, and I'll wrap up the video. Okay, let's build one more combo. Let's go with this and this, I guess. Yeah, sure. So here I have Emperor Fornius Heavy Zeta, and I'll put it in defense mode. And I also have a 3D printed level chip there on Fornius. So cool. Yeah, okay, let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, I swear. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. It is literally blowing up off the launcher. Okay, focus. Oh my gosh, focus. Get on the launcher. Okay. Be careful. I want this to be a good battle to end off the video. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Well, I think, I feel like Japhithere flipped over and stopped spinning before Fornius. Let's do one more battle just to be sure. And I'll switch Japhithere back to the, downforce mode on the frame. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Pretty fast for a defense driver, but let's just see the outcome. Ooh, scrape. Oh my gosh, when I said scrape, I was saying Fornius was scrape. I absolutely hate this frame.